Am I the asshole for demanding my girlfriend tells me her author's pen name? I've 32 male been dating Siobhan, female 32, for about 6 months now. She's always been very vague about what she does for a living, saying things like writing and working from home. But recently, one of her friends mentioned something and I finally dragged it out of her. She's an author and she's written and self-published romance and erotica stories. I googled her name and couldn't find anything, so I confronted her about it. She said that she's been writing under a pen name, so I demanded that she give it to me so I can know what she does. She refused, saying that she doesn't want her pen name leaked. I got mad and accused her of not trusting me, but she still refused to tell me. I tried the nicer approach and told her that I wanted to know what her fantasies are so I could try and figure it out from that. She says she writes about her readers' fantasies and not her own, and she's still not going to tell me the pen name. That night, I tried to check her laptop for the pen name, but she had changed the password before bed. I was really annoyed because clearly she doesn't trust me, and it's not fair because I have a right to know what she writes, especially since it's such a sensitive topic. She was furious that I tried to look on her laptop and told me to go home. I told her when she calls to apologize, I expect her pen name with the apology. She still hasn't called.